Before you scroll, let me tell you why this coin is called the King of American Coins. What if I told you the most famous US coin in history was never actually made in the year printed on it? That's exactly the mystery behind the 1804 silver dollar. In this video, you'll learn why this coin is worth more than $4.1 million, how only a handful exist, and why collectors consider it the ultimate symbol of American numismatics. We'll uncover when it was really made, who it was made for, and why owning one is considered the highest achievement in coin collecting. Stay with me, because this story gets more surprising the deeper we go. The 1804 silver dollar is famously misdated, which is the first layer of its intrigue. Despite the date stamped as 1804, U.S. Mint records show that no silver dollars were actually produced that year. Production had stopped in 1803, and the silver dollars of 1804 were only struck later as special issues in the 1830s. These coins were not intended for circulation, but were created as diplomatic gifts to be sent to foreign dignitaries. This unusual production method is what makes the 1804 silver dollar historically significant. Mint officials, believing the last silver dollars carried the 1804 date, reproduced them carefully, creating coins that were never spent in commerce. These errors, combined with their limited production numbers, established a level of rarity and prestige unmatched in American coinage. Collectors today marvel at the coincidence and craftsmanship, as it links both the early U.S. Mint and international diplomacy in a single small silver disc. The story of the date alone makes this coin legendary. Unlike ordinary silver dollars, the 1804 silver dollar was struck specifically for presentation and diplomatic purposes. It was intended to be a symbol of the young United States' sophistication and economic development when presented to foreign leaders. Each coin was carefully struck with high-quality detail, far exceeding typical circulating coins. Mint officials ensured the design was crisp, including the obverse Liberty profile and reverse eagle motifs, to reflect American craftsmanship. Because these coins were never meant to enter general commerce, very few were produced, and even fewer survived. The coins were highly valued even then, as they represented a national statement rather than monetary utility. Over time, surviving examples became treasured artifacts. Their story combines diplomacy, minting history, and artistic quality, making them far more than mere currency. Today, the coin's provenance, quality, and intended purpose significantly contribute to their multi-million-dollar value, setting them apart from any ordinary silver dollar. Today, the 1804 silver dollar exists in only 15 confirmed examples, divided into 3 official classes recognized by numismatic experts: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. Each class represents different production times and purposes, with Class 1 being the earliest diplomatic strikes. The rarity is extreme. Museums hold several examples, and the remainder are in private collections, some never publicly displayed. Each coin is meticulously documented, tracked, and studied for provenance. Even minor scratches or alterations can affect value, showing the level of care collectors apply. Because of this rarity, when one appears at auction, it becomes an international numismatic event, drawing attention from major collectors worldwide. The survival of these coins through centuries of circulation, accidents, and historical upheaval makes their rarity genuine and highly respected. This scarcity is a critical factor in the coin's legendary status and the extraordinary value it commands in today's market. The 1804 silver dollar's value is determined by a combination of historical significance, rarity, and prestige. Beyond being rare, it is a tangible piece of early U.S. history, tied to diplomatic missions and the identity of a young nation asserting itself globally. Collectors prize it not only for its silver content, but for its role as a symbol of America's craftsmanship and international presence. The coins were carefully minted, preserved, and sometimes exchanged at the highest levels of government, adding to their story. Auction prices reflect these factors, with examples selling for over $4.1 million. Collectors see owning one as reaching the pinnacle of American coin collecting. It is not just a coin, but a statement of expertise, historical knowledge, and investment. The combination of provenance, condition, and historical importance ensures that this coin remains the most sought after in U.S. Numismatics, maintaining its legendary status decades after it was struck. Even more than 200 years later, the 1804 silver dollar holds its position as the king of American coins. Its story combines mystery, diplomacy, historical significance, and extreme rarity. The coins are considered treasures of American history, with every surviving example documented and preserved. For collectors, museums, and enthusiasts, this coin represents a perfect blend of artistry, historical context, and investment. Its scarcity, exceptional condition, and the unique circumstances of its production ensure that it remains one of the most desirable coins in the world. When an example does appear at auction, it attracts global attention and commands multi-million-dollar bids. The legacy of the 1804 silver dollar endures because it is more than silver. It is a tangible connection to the early United States, to diplomacy, to craftsmanship, and to one of the most fascinating numismatic stories ever recorded.